Today I will teach you EVS. In previous video we have done about the different vehicles such as land, water and air vehicles. Today we will see the vehicles that need fuel. Page number 59. Vehicles that need fuel. Why did vehicles need fuel? Do you know? Vehicles need fuel to move from one place to another. Say the names of these vehicles that need fuel to move: motor car, motorbike, truck, train, aeroplane, fire engine, ambulance, helicopter, hot air balloon. These pictures are given here. Need fuel to move one place to another. Next, page number 60. Vehicles that do not need fuel. Say the name of these vehicles that do not need fuel to move one place to another. This is bullock cart and this is tanga. Bullock cart and tanga is land vehicle, and because it moves with the help of animal. This is bullock cart and tanga do not need fuel to move one place to another. Bicycle, cycle rickshaw and boat. Bicycle and cycle rickshaw is land vehicle. It with the help of people because it moves with the efforts of the people. Parachute, boat. Parachute and boat. Parachute is an air vehicle and boat is water vehicle. These are with the because it moves with the efforts of the people. Understood? These are vehicles do not need fuel to move one place to another. Tick the vehicles that need fuel to move and cross the ones that do not need fuel to move. This is aeroplane. Aeroplane in air vehicles. Aeroplane need fuel? Yes. So you tick this vehicle. Bullock cart. Bullock cart need fuel? Not. So you cross here. Train. Train need fuel? Yes. So you tick here. Bus. Bus need fuel? Yes. So you tick here. Motorbike need fuel? Yes. So you tick here. Boat. Boat need fuel? Yes. So you tick here. Hot air balloon need fuel? Yes. So you tick here. Tanga need fuel? Not. So you cross here. Bicycle need fuel? No. So you cross here. Understood? So you need this vehicle need the fuel to tick here, and this vehicle not need fuel to cross here. Next, page number 62. Match the vehicles to the place where they move. This is train. Train move on railway track. So you match here. Helicopter move in air. So you match here. Boat. This is boat. Boat move in water. So you tick here. Motorbike move on land. So you tick here. Bicycle move on land. So you match here. This is motor car. Motor car move on land vehicle. So you match here. This is aeroplane. Aeroplane move in air. So you match here. Yacht move in water, so you tick here. Metro move on track, so you match here. Understood? Next, page number 63. So cross the odd vehicles in each column. This is ship, this is boat, this is ship, this is yacht, and this is train. These vehicles are water vehicles and this is land vehicles. So this is odd vehicle, so you cross here. This is hot air balloon, this is tanga, this is aeroplane, and this is rocket. Hot air balloon, aeroplane, and rocket, these are air vehicles, and cycle rickshaw is a land vehicle. So this is land vehicles is a odd vehicle, so you cross here. This is scooter, this is rickshaw, this is bullock cart, and this is yacht. These are land vehicles and this is water vehicle, so this is odd vehicle, so you cross here. Next, page number 64. Match the same kind of transport. This is truck. Truck and bus is the same land vehicles and is same kind of transport, so you match the truck and bus. Metro and train, this is land vehicles with move on a track, so you match the train and metro. Boat and ship is a water vehicles, and because they move on a water, move in water, so you match boat and ship. Aeroplane and helicopter, this is air transport, this is same kind of transport. Traffic light, we see traffic lights on the road, they are red, yellow and green. Listen to the rhymes and repeat it to know what each light means. Red light, red light. Red light, red light, what do you say? I say stop and stop right away. Yellow light, what do you mean? I mean wait till the light is green. Green light, what do you say? I say go and go right away. Repeat it. Red light, what do you say? I say stop and stop right away. Yellow light, what do you mean? I mean wait till the light is green. Green light, what do you say? I say go and go right away. Red light say stop. Yellow light say wait, and green light say go. Understood? Next, we also see black and white strips on the road near the traffic light. We call them zebra crossing. We should cross the road only at the zebra crossing to be safe. Why you use the zebra crossing? Because the zebra crossing safe to cross the road. So that is why you should use zebra crossing. Red, yellow. Color the traffic light and the zebra crossing. First color is red, and red light say stop. Second color is yellow. Yellow light say wait. And next, green. Green light, this green light. Green light says go. Next, zebra crossing. Color the zebra crossing black and white strip. First you color black, then white, then black, white, and then black, white, and black. Why are you used to zebra crossing? Because it is safe to cross the road. Next, page number 67. Safety on the road. Listen to the rhymes and repeat it. Never walk in the middle. Never walk in the middle. Never walk in the middle of the road. Footpaths are meant for walking. If you want to cross the road, look for the zebra crossing. Repeat it. Never walk in the middle of the road. Footpaths are meant for walking. If you want to cross the road, look for the zebra crossing. Talk about the pictures and follow these to be safe on the road. Always hold an elder's hand on the road. Always hold an elder's hand on the road. Look here. This picture. Always walk on the footpath. Always walk on the footpath. Next, always cross the road using the zebra crossing. Always cross the road using the zebra crossing. Do not run or play on the road. Do not run or play on the road. Never go alone on the road. Never go alone on the road. Why should children not cross the road alone, and why should we not play on the road? Not safe, it is danger to cross the road, due to which an accident can occur. This is right action. Take the picture showing the right action. This is walking. They are walking on the road and they are walking on the footpath. So this is right action. So you tick here. So you always walk on the footpath. They are cross on the zebra crossing and they are not crossing on the zebra crossing. So this is not safe. So must cross on the zebra crossing. So you tick here. This boy playing on the road and this boy help of his father to taking the ball. So this is right action. So tick here. Thank you.